GE signal dryer. Pretty bad. Order the kit in the link in the description below for a new top part, new bushing, new glider tabs. These are plastic. Screw there, screw right to the right, and screw both of those. Take the top piece off and move the door aside. Okay, unplug the appliance first, and then you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in the back panel. Undo those. Then I'll allow you to gently remove this back portion. I remove the control panel. Notice we've tilted this forward. There's some hooks that connect it into the top. So see in there, you could just move this and then very easily disconnect the top from the back panel. Here are the 3 tabs and the 3 slots. You remove the top panel. That reveals the drum. And here's where the problem is. Broken slides, broken gasket. So we need to take the front off. So we take this, close it, and then we can lift the whole panel up after we get 2 more screws. 1 here, 1 here. Now we can just pull away the entire bottom and then lift the bottom part up. Just very carefully on both sides. We've lifted it up. The drum's going to fall off its bearing, which is completely destroyed. But there's wiring on the left side, so be very careful. So we're removing the front door, and you can see there's a couple tabs in the bottom securing it. Just lift up. Be very careful with the wiring on that left side. So we have a couple tabs that are in place. This is a foil bearing. This one's gone. This whole area is cracked, and this whole area is cracked. So it's really squeaking when it works against itself on here. There's 2 tabs in this piece. Just push down, and you can remove. Popped out the old piece. Here's the new piece. It's got some toggles both sides, and then we've taken out the old felt piece. A light, pop this out. That'll be for the light to go through. Prepper drum slides that are going to go into these little pieces here. You can see on the old one, there's a pin that goes through the whole side. You use that for the whole side here. So first I would engage the hole in the pin. And then peel over to pop the other side in. There you go. And that creates a nice foil bearing for the drum to sit in. Engage that first and then loop back in. You should click when it's correct. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 of them are actually different, so the ones on the side have this notch cut into them, whereas the 2 towards the top don't. Sliding this in, you want the lip to cover this side. Lip of metal covered by a lip of plastic. So engage both tabs. They don't need to snap first. Take the light out so that you don't break it. Slide the lip, plastic over metal. Just ease it in, and everything should snap into place eventually. Get a new felt. Just run it through the track, semicircular to the other side. Now that we have the felt in, it's going all the way around in its little catch piece, and that's kind of the bottom bearing. And then we have our slides at the top, and we have our light bulb in. So now we could assemble the dryer in the opposite way that we took it apart, and it shouldn't squeak anymore. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.